एकदम इफेक्टिव होना चाहिए। परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, जमी पे बैठकर क्या आसमां देखता है।
My dear brother and sister, you make lot of sentences at your home and repeat again and again, and write many sentences and speech. You speak loudly again and again. This is very useful to you. I think I am use this way.
Yeah, really this is highly deeply effective way of improving your English language. कि you have to repeat over and over. Means if you are beginner learner, just you started your English, your journey, the things which you have to do here, the things which you have to emphasize, the things which you have to exaggerate here, the things which you have to elaborate here more, this is the activity of repetition, over and over. Do mimicry, repeat same activity, same thing, same speeches, then you can improve, you can get idea, right? Very good.
When do you go to sleep? Then you think and calm. When morning and night, what are you doing? What did you do in your day? You think in English language.
Yeah, right. So sleeping time you should recall, you should memorize, you should do mimicry, whatever activity you did from morning to evening in English language you have to repeat, right?
And you always think I will learn English one day and I will speak fluent English one day. When you go to sleep, then and after wake up in morning, again you think this point. I will speak English fluently one day and I will learn English one day.
Yeah. So you should target on your dream. What's your dream? When you get up, you have not any kind of strategy, plan, idea. No, you only waste, you only dawdle your time. Then how can you improve? You have to realize, think daily. Oh, I started one journey. This is my English journey. I want to improve myself. I have to improve today. I have to upgrade myself. What kind of topic ideas I can explain? How can I learn? How are they speaking? So everything you have to memorize. You have to remind in your mind over and over. Then this mind will be active, energetic, dynamic each and every moment. The ephemeral, you come, you start. The ephemeral, you get topic, automatic. You start. Very good. Zabardast, wonderful, incredible, mind-blowing, awesome, fantastic, lovely.
If you don't know how to speak English, and I am not perfect to speak English fluent, but you always say every person I will speak English fluent one day, and I know English language, I speak English, and this is good way I use.
Oh, this is the panacea. This is the wonderful tips, shocking tips. Really, you can see amazing kind of result within few weeks if you start following, adopting this kind of idea. So very soon you see result, amazing kind of result within few weeks after 1 month. But the things which you have to do here, you must have consistency, you must have creativity daily. Regular practice can clear your concept. Regular practice can give you confidence more, right? Very good, wonderful.
Because whatever you think, it happens in your life. This is what is very important in your life. मतलब कि जो कुछ भी आप बोलते हैं वही आपके जीवन में होता है. I mean to say that.
All right, very good, जबरदस्त, wonderful opinion.
अगर आप बार लोगों से बोलते हैं कि मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने आती है, मैं इंग्लिश बोल लूँगा एक दिन अच्छे से, तो आप श्योर सीख जाएंगे.
Yeah, right.
क्योंकि आप जो कुछ भी बोलते हैं वो इनवर्स आपको जरूर देता है. Thank you very much.
Wonderful, zabardast performance. Right. Hope you understood, you comprehend, you made out the point. Please tell me, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right, amazing kind of strategy plan you gave here. Hope if they are following, really they can see result. So how do you feel again? I think that you give up. What kind of idea you came here?
Sir, I am feeling here over the moon.
Over the moon. Oh, why I stand here? That is why. Yeah, you are looking your. You stammer, but slowly you gave a wonderful idea. Right, wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming here. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys? Are you excited? Are you prepared? Are you dynamic, energetic? Are you fantastic? Are you free? Huh? Good. This is question round class. This is question round activity. You know, already I have uttered, I have mentioned multiple time, many time, over and over. Questioning, answering. Questioning, answering. This is the best and supreme idea to make sharp, brilliant, to practice ourselves. This is the panacea of the practice. Now you can say that if I am talking about the questioning and answering, because by questioning, answering, you can clear your concept, queries, question, whatever you have, whatever creating, whatever clicking, whatever arising in your mind, everything can be cleared, can be made more crystal clear, tangible, unambiguous, unequivocal by questioning, answering. Really, this is the best activity. This is one kind of Complan. Have you Complan? Have you used Complan in your life? This is the one kind of product where if you are taking Complan, you can if your height is short, if you are eating Complan, so it will help you to develop, to boost your height, understand? So really questioning, answering, this is one kind of Complan kind of product which can enhance, boost your confidence, your skill, your talent, overall your personality, because lots of question is creating, lots of question is happening in our mind from the morning to evening. We also feeling, we also getting. This is the questioning. So this is the best tool, this is the best idea, panacea to make brilliant, to make sharp, to make polish, to make better our conversation, communication, interaction, GD, everything, so we can make sharp, brilliant, supreme, fabulous, vigorous, tremendous, right, and miraculous. We can make, because many time whenever people they ask question, we stuck, we fumble, we ramble, we forget, words are not coming, sentences are not coming, the way you are addressing, the way you are answering, the way you are right using, it's not more attractive and effective, charming and captivating, fascinating. Now if you are not right, you are not a means kalakar. Do you know kalakar means artist? So if you are delivering your lecture, you should be an artist. Here artist of the public speaker artist, you know, artist, labor, and also there is one in thing, mason, mistri. I have also told you once. Have you memorized? Remember? Right? कि मिस्त्री कौन होता है, लेबर किसको कहते हैं? लेबर मीन्स जो क्या करता है, a person who works by hand, called consider labor. एक ऐसा आदमी जो हाथ से काम करता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, लेबर. एंड उसके बाद क्या होता है, मजदूर जिसको कहते हैं ना, लेबर एंड मजदूर. फिर क्या होता है, मिस्त्री. मिस्त्री कौन होता है, करनी से करनी से काम करता है, अ पर्सन हु वर्क बाय हैंड एंड माइंड्स, कॉल्ड कंसिडर मेसन एंड मिस्त्री. लास्ट इज दैट artist and kalakar. You know who is kalakar, what skill he has? Engineer. Kalakar means a person who work by hand, mind, heart. This is called kalakar. So if you want to deliver your lecture, you want to be a public speaker champion here, so you must deliver your lecture like an artist. And speaking, this is also one kind of art. If you are becoming artist, definitely you can deliver as a artist. So you should notice while lecturing, while delivering, while talking, communicating ki how you can represent any things in a brilliant, beautiful way. This is the way of addressing. Guys, you know, by the way, this is your question and answer class, right? So now invite one by one, you have to come here. I ask you multiple questions, you answer, right? Who want to come here first, guys? This is so small session, but you try to answer in a hilarious, funniest, right way. You try to utilize, you try to deliver your point, idea, effortless, attractive, charming. So who want to come here? One by one, guys, simultaneously, spontaneously, I will ask you a question. You try to answer each of the question as much as possible, as far as possible. I ask you how do you feel?
I feel supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I feel super courageous, fragilistic. What is this? So I feel over the moon. I feel supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I feel really delighted, ecstatic. I realize heartily. I feel so good. So
Good.
not good.
So good.
So spectacular, glorious, splendid. This is the question. I will ask you multiple questions. Are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir.
All right. The very common and first question: how do you feel? This is come. How do you feel here?
I feel supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Why? Why are you feeling supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
Why are you feeling?
How is your family? Your father, your mother,
My father.
your brother?
Sir, fine.
Fine. Okay, tell me one more question. Have you younger sister? I think that you have two younger sister, one younger brother. Am I right?
Sir, 2 sister and 1 brother.
Yeah. So have you ever fought them? Have you ever fought them?
Sir, I am not understand your point.
Oh. Have you ever fought them? Have you ever what is this?
What?
Dhuchim dhucha.
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
कभी आप उससे लड़ाई हुई आपकी?
Sir, I think daily to daily.
डेली?
Yeah.
So what? How? कैसे होती है? कैसे?
Fighting.
Between या among the sister and brothers. Do you know? बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात होती थी. कभी कभी लड़ाई इस पे हो जाती थी. मान लीजिए किसी के घर से बहना आ गया, राइट? और बहना एक पीस आया है. अब अम्मी जान उसको तोड़ के दे रही हैं. तनी कम ज़्यादा टूट गया. मैं यही वाला चाहिए. अरे तुम ले लो यार. तुम नहीं लूँगा मैं. ये वाला मुझे चाहिए. ये वाला चाहिए. फिर अच्छा रुक जाओ. तनी फिर इसमें टूट जाए. अब कौन 2 लेगा, कौन एक लेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज द फाइटिंग ऑफ सिस्टर एंड ब्रदर्स, राइट? जिस चीज के लिए कम जाता. और सेकंड फाइटिंग इज दैट समटाइम व्हेन यू आर राइट लेवल.
Sir,
Dresses fighting.
Yes, sir.
I have lack of dresses. My brother have some new dresses, and also they are saving in the tijori, right? When the any function and program, right, come, I will use.
Yes, sir.
When I get chance, right? Chance मिला और मैंने क्या किया? पहन लिया और पहन के थोड़ा बहुत,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
और sir,
True.
next money.
Next is that money.
Yes, sir.
If your brother,
One. And
हाँ,
I.
taking 10 rupees, या क्या खा रहा था? If your brother क्या चिप्स खा रहा है. अब हमारे दिमाग में दिक्कत है, कहाँ से पैसा पाया है? मुझे मिला नहीं, इसको कहाँ से मिल गया? Actually, I am a elder brother. I had not money. How did you get?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अगर मम्मी ने दे दिया ठीक है, अब्बू ने दे दिया ठीक है, मिल जाएगा मुझको भी पीछे जाके. लेकिन कहीं तीसरे ने दे दिया तो गए हो. फिर तो तुमको नहीं मिलेगा ना.
Yes, sir. Yes,
दिस
sir.
इज द फाइटिंग ऑफ द ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. ब्रदर एंड. और एक और इंटरेस्टिंग एक्साइटिंग फाइटिंग क्या होती थी? There is a, guys, listen everybody. There is a really highly deeply exciting, extremely exciting fighting between the brother and sister. This is the fighting of the visiting some places. Suppose your mother or your father, your brother, your mother, your father, they want visit to relative, any relative, right? Or your mother choose only you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any of you will go there. आप में से कोई एक जाएगा, एक पैसा लेगा,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
आप में से कोई एक जाएगा, एक क्या करेगा, पैसा लेगा. तो एनी ऑफ यू ना वहाँ जाओगे और क्या करोगे, एक में से पैसा लोगे. तो कुछ लोग चालाक होते थे, यार इसको जाने दो, पैसा ले लेता हूँ, है ना. 10 रुपये में काम चला दिया जाता 10 रुपये में. लेकिन जो बंदा गया कभी कभी रिश्तेदारी में, उसको 100 रुपये मिल गया. मामू और खाला ने क्या किया, थमा दिए 100 रुपये, राइट. मजा हो गई.
Yes.
So this is the fighting of. So please tell me, my question is that, Amrita, कि have you fighting among your brother and sister? Please give me answer, na? Elaborate. What kind of fighting actually do you fight?
Sir.
That is so funny and a simple, so common question, guys. Listen, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please explain in your
Sir.
own words in English language.
Yes, sir. Sir, my sister dress and my dress is same.
Yeah.
Is same.
That is.
But
That is खतरनाक. Your dress and your brother's dress is
Sister,
same.
sister.
और तो और बहुत अच्छी बात, अगर चप्पल किसी का सेम है,
Sir.
जिसका किया गया उसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, नया पहन लेगा और पहन के भी आएगा बंदा. क्या क्या मरहे है, लग रहा है थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो गया है. अरे यार तुम पुरनका छोड़ के अपना नौका पहन के चले आए हो, हैं? पुराना छोड़ के चप्पल आप एकदम यूनिक खरीदिए. अरे सब मस्जिद में से भाज देते हैं. मेरा तो मस्जिद में 2 बार उतारा, मार दिया पीछे से कोई. नया नया एकदम. ईद का चप्पल था, बकरीद का चप्पल था, कोई क्या किया, मार दिया. ऑलराइट. तो ड्रेसिंग की फाइटिंग क्या होती है एक्चुअली, गाइस लिसन हियर केयरफुली. सो हियर इज द फाइटिंग ऑफ द
dressing.
dressing. If your shirt या t-shirt and my brother, right?
Yes.
So your t-shirt and your sister
Same.
dress is same.
Same.
So आप क्या करते हो उसमें?
So, sir, my sister speak. This is my dress. So
Oh.
this is my dress.
Then you say no,
Yes.
this is my dress.
Yes, sir.
But brother, देख लो बाहर दिख गया क्या कुछ, देख लो भाई, देख लो नज़ारा, मार लो, बाहर है तुम. I think that you have been coming here for 1 month.
Okay, sir.
May I right? Good. So tell me, what did you learn? What did you get experience from here? Even also, what did you achieve? What did you get? What did you learn? What did you develop yourself here? How did you develop yourself here? Please tell me.